Learna AI positions itself as an advanced artificial intelligence language learning app designed to help users achieve faster progress in languages such as English and Spanish, promising real-time feedback, adaptive lessons, and conversational practice. The app emphasizes a structured approach, providing interactive exercises, grammar correction, vocabulary building, and listening comprehension tasks, aiming to replicate the guidance of a human tutor. According to user reviews on platforms like the App Store and Google Play, many learners find the interface intuitive and the exercises practical for improving day-to-day communication skills, praising the clarity of explanations and the structured lesson flow. Some independent reviews note that Learna AI offers a consolidated learning environment compared to using multiple disconnected apps, and the platform appears on several lists of top AI-based language learning tools in 2025, which reflects its growing popularity among tech-savvy learners. On the other hand, a few users caution that AI-based practice cannot fully replace real-world interaction and immersion, suggesting that pairing the app with conversation partners or in-person classes would yield better outcomes. While the app provides gamified progress tracking and adaptive difficulty, some learners report occasional inaccuracies in AI-generated corrections and limited customization in niche vocabulary or dialects. In terms of pricing, Learna AI offers free access to basic features, while premium subscriptions unlock full lesson sets and additional support. Overall, the application appears technically sound, well-designed, and valuable for learners who are disciplined, motivated, and comfortable using AI-assisted tools. Yet it should be regarded as one component of a broader learning strategy rather than a standalone solution. Verdict: Learna AI delivers a structured, professional, and effective AI-assisted learning experience, making it a worthwhile choice for self-motivated learners, though it cannot fully substitute human interaction and immersion for achieving fluency.